Man, what a year for ACU basketball. 24 wins, an undefeated record at home, and our second straight Southern Conference Tournament championship. With that came our second consecutive trip to the NCAA tournament in March Madness. This year we were able to take it a little bit farther into the round of 32 with our victory over the University of Texas, 53-52. With all that excitement, there's been a ton of advancement around campus, as you can see going on behind me. Let's go take a look. As you can see, renovations are already underway. We truly believe this is not only going to be an awesome experience for our players, but an awesome experience for the fans as well. Behind the scenes, and what you can't see, not only are we getting a new playing facility, but we're getting a new locker room, a new film room, a new team room. We truly believe it's all going to be state-of-the-art. It's going to be one of the best mid-major basketball facilities in the country. Man, how incredible is this?